Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Wonder with Kchops. Happy weekend and happy Friday. Happy weekend to you. All right, so guys, honestly, I am overwhelmed. I am deeply overwhelmed. Guys, I cannot thank you enough. Thank you so much for the love so far. I literally posted the video yesterday and unannounced. You guys, I didn't even tell you prior time. I just like launched the YouTube channel, and the love was massive. I cannot lie. Honestly, I cannot lie. As I am filming this video right now, as at the time that I'm filming, so when you be watching this video in the evening, later in the evening, we're already at 32 subscribers and 100 views for the first video I dropped, like the introduction video. That is massive. Honestly, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. The numbers are real, and you guys are the realest. You are the realest. One love. Thank you so much. God bless you. So you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you are seeing my face and you are watching this video, you are welcome to the family. This is Wonder with Kchops, and honestly, you are in the right place. The vlog I told you guys about yesterday in the introduction video, if you have not watched that video, you need to go and check it. There are some gist there that you need to actually watch. So I won't waste much of our time. We'll be moving right into the vlog already, and guys, grab your popcorns. Grab your popcorns and be ready to enjoy the experience, and just have fun. I'll see you guys around. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Just do anything that you can do for me just to make this channel grow. We are getting there. We are getting there. The numbers are real. The numbers are getting higher. Thank you so much. I'll see you around. This is the night before I travel to Akure, and that's my brother playing the keyboard. This is the second day that I was going to Akure with my dog Spy. So I had to quickly check off the list and make sure I've gotten all that I needed. My class rep compiled this list for your information, not me, please. Alright, that's me just vibing. I was already on the road and route, and it rained while I was traveling to Akure. So yeah, we're already in school and we're getting ready to move. Yes, here we are in the bus. I followed the second batch. The first batch had left already. That's just me vibing, just enjoy. Alright, welcome to ILESHA. At this point, I was happy and excited. That was my first time. So yeah, they have a brewery there, and I had no idea until I got there. International brewery. Guys. Okay, yes, this is school 2, ILESHA Grammar School. We passed through the second gate. The first gate, that's school 1 gate. Yeah. I had to quickly cut that place because at that point we were stopped, and the security had to check us, check our balls, and ask some few questions where we're coming from and where exactly we are going to. What is our intent of coming there, just to be sure. That's basically it. And yes, we are there already. Yeah, these my guys coming, my classmates coming, and that's me vibing, feeling myself. Alright, so yes, we were checking the instrument and we were bringing them in, and the loads as well. I had to get a little water to clean the room, and this is the room after I've cleaned it. Hygiene is important, and it is the big thing for me. That's me just enjoying a bit, Alright, so we're divided into groups and we're shown the timetable and everything, Alright, this is my group member Zikrid, and that is him drawing the Recce diagram. That's the first day. Reconnaissance is very important before any other thing, problem survey, that's me. I drew the Recce diagram too as well, so this is it. Alright, here you might be wondering what we are doing, we're actually doing the instrument test, which is very important before you carry out any surveying. Before you carrying out any survey, any operation or surveying, you have to make sure the instruments are intact and they are all well and there is no error. All right, so we're leaving the hostel already, and this is us gotten out of camp, ready to work. These are my guys, my classmates, everyone moving to their different locations, various locations to carry out their practical work. This is the first pillar we casted, and we were divided into two groups. We actually divided ourselves into different groups to make the work much more easier and faster. We had those that were casting pillars, those that were carrying out observations, and this is the data acquisition team, and that's me there, with the data acquisition team. Guys, at this point, everyone was tired already. This was like in the evening, and that's the president. He himself is tired. Everyone is tired. Yes, we're back from the site for the day. We actually came to do some certain things. Yeah, we're casting pillars, making sure. Guys, I almost forgot this part. We worked tonight after when we were done casting pillars. Okay, this is the second day of work, of practical work, and these are my group members. So we're trying to get the perfect location for the drone to be able to see the.
Then there's something you need to know on this propeller. If you see the ring on it, we have black and gray. And you see here, you have the black side, gray side. Black to black, gray to gray.
Alright, that video, that was my lecturer, Sophia Bola. Shout out to him. He was explaining certain things to us on how we operate the drone and all, so that I won't get the drone damage. I mean, you get everything is expensive. So that's my mom. I quickly went to eat with my friend. Yeah, we played a little bit of basketball. No, not a little. We played basketball and I scored. Yeah. Okay, this is the D-Day, guys. I mean, the campfire night, like a campfire night day. If there's an English word like that. So this is neat. Oof, that was so smooth. I mean, that is Makanaki. And my guys are industrials. Come on, look at them working. This is beyond boundaries. This is beyond just see these ones. They are making sure the plants are intact for the fire. So yeah, this is the night, campfire night, and I'm making sure to get the grill, the fire, the smoke and everything ready before we do the barbecue on it. That's basically it. Enjoy. Okay, I guess they were making the barbecue already at this point. That was my HOD, and yeah, is the direction, time, generation part, and it was magical. Okay, back to the grillers, the barbecue guys. Okay, this is just people admiring the fire as it grows. Guy, this fire grew to be very big. Look. Yo, this fire was a lot. I mean, guys, the fire was big and warm, and it's not warm, hot. Look at this. Mad. I mean, like, you guys need to actually feel the intensity of that fire. Like, it was a lot. It was a lot. And that's just me with my friend Samson. Yeah, basically it, guys. That night was so magical. I'm not going to lie. It was very, 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 very beautiful, and it's a time to, you know, remember about this. It was an unforgettable experience. I'm not going to lie, and that is the reason why I am sharing this with you guys, so that you can also be part of the experience, at least. So you enjoy it as much as I did, as much as you did. That's my friend Deborah.
And on this note, we've come to the end of the count. Damn, shit. I'm gonna miss all of this. I just feel we should have one more.
Okay, we're packing to leave. We're ready to leave.
Peace out.
Peace out. Okay, that's the first batch getting ready to move. I don't know why, guys. I just keep following the second batch. I don't know why, honestly. So that's them leaving. It's cool. Alright, the bus was back to pick the second batch, yeah. And lest I forget, guys, ILESHA Grammar School is a very, very beautiful school. It is a very, very beautiful school. I mean, the place feels so different compared to every other public, secondary school that I've been. There were buildings like, Alright, so we're back to school, yeah. The alma mater. Alright, so this is basically it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you really did enjoy watching this video. Please like, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys around. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.